Good day. So by watching this video, it means that you are watching Stifler Extra Lessons page. Today I just want to show you how to derive the quadratic formula. So this quadratic formula is not for exam purposes. It's just so much interesting to watch the amazing of maths and how to manipulate these equations in order to get whatsoever that you want. Let's enjoy this. So how do we do this? So firstly, we can divide throughout by a so that our x squared can become positive 1. So we can divide throughout by a, so it means that if we divide by a, divide by a, divide by a, divide by a as well. So this becomes x squared plus b over a x plus c over a equals to 0. And we can take c that side, so x squared plus b over a x equals to negative c over a. So obviously we solve this using the what? Using completing of the squares. So now we take the value of b. So this is the value of b now. So the value of b is b over a. And what you do, you multiply it by half and then you square it. So this will give us b over 2a and then squared. So since we are having this side of the equation and that side of the equation, we can edit both sides of the equation. So this becomes x squared plus b over a x plus b over 2a squared being equals to negative c over a plus b over 2a squared. So now these all expressions can be just simplified into x plus b over 2a squared. So now that other side, now we are going to have negative c over a plus b squared over 4a squared, like that. So the next thing that we can do, we can simplify this side by adding these fractions. So this becomes x plus b over 2a squared, and this side now we can have a single denominator, and this will become 4a squared. So 4a squared into 4a squared is 1, and then multiply by b squared. So this is just b squared, and this is having a minus, so it's minus. And a into 4a squared, it is 4a. So 4a multiplied by c, it will be 4ac, like that. So the next thing, we can get rid of this square root, this square by a square root. So we can do a square root both sides, square root both sides. So now we can have our x plus b over 2a. Now this will be equivalent to what? To the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. So let's just finish it on the other side. So this will be x plus b over 2a being equivalent to, so this will be under the square root, that will be b squared minus 4ac, and this right here, it has a square root, so the square root of 4a squared, it is just 2a. And this our x, so this will become plus or minus, since it is the square root of something, is a plus or a minus, like that, right? So that's plus or minus. So our x plus b over 2a, it is simply plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Taking this to that other side, it means that our x becomes minus b over 2a, and then plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And our x now becomes, since they're having the same denominator, we can put them under the same denominator as 2a. And this will be minus b, and this will be plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac. Wow, interesting. Nice, ne? Yes, it is nice. So be interested in doing this. You see that it will just increase your algebra understanding, because to understand algebra, work with variables, love variables, and variables will love you back, and you'll be able to solve this. So if you enjoyed this, please show by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a lovely day.